What, chucha? Oh, look at that. Alright, let's begin. So we have Helena and Victoria and other models that need to be fixed and repaired. And here goes the first one. Pretty cool. Assemble is the easiest part. Okay, ready for shipping. There are 3 or 4 things about this model that need to be fixed. Now the coupler is one. See, these wires have been they are snapped. We need to replace those wires, and it's making this clicking noise. One more thing, is missing the flippers, so that's the reason it doesn't talk. At least it runs. What is going on? Yeah, it's okay, let's begin. I've loosened all the screws, so that way we just remove. Oh, hold on, before we proceed, there is two hidden screws here. Another thing, after removing those screws, you need to remove this spring clipping holder, or you're not going to be able to see, you cannot pull it. So we need to remove this spring all the way out. It needs to go out. Oh, come on. Alright, now we can remove. Now we can remove the rest. Oh, look at the face. Remove this piece, pull the motor, and I think we have a, yes, it's cracked right there. We need a replacement. I need to remove these side rods out. Excellent. There you go. Should I say it before or after? But don't try this at home. I have a complete mess here. I just need to move the stuff away. Perfecto. The motor sounds good, clean, but I don't like that it does have some sort of hair. I need to add some lube before proceeding to the assemble. Alright, good. Now about these wires, I'm going to use an old USB-C cable. USB cable with a mini whatever. Old cell phone cable. Cut it. I want to try to measure it like that just to give me an idea. I'm going to give it a little bit more. There. So I need to remove everything from inside. Well, you get the idea. Look, that is perfect. Before we proceed, I'm going to do a quick test.
Watch out for the jam. I'm Thomas. I'm the #1 engine. I'm helping to build
So this thing works.
brand new summer house.
Alright, I have removed the yellow wires out of this little box. Added these 2 white ones, sealed, and this one goes right between here, just like it. Okay, let's continue. So that coupler is broken. I'm going to use some rubber ones that I made with the laser machine. That is before I had to go back. Look at this wire, is burned. It's no longer making contact. So I put black and red. Now it looks like this. Okay, here is the important part that makes it talk.
I'm helping to build the Duke and Duchess's brand new summer
It's
house.
magnetic.
Watch out for the jam. I'm helping to build the Duke and Duchess's.
Before we proceed, I'm going to touch up a little bit these edges, because once I put the face or the head, I won't be able to touch up those details. Okay. Now the problem is where I'm going to find those flippers.
I'm Thomas.
I guess I'm going to try some of the remote control Thomas. There are some. See, this one comes with supposed to come with the flippers. I need to find one. Now there is a slight variation that they might not fit. Oh, look at this one. Alright, we got him. See, this one fits okay, but the other one, let me show you. I hope the camera can pick it up, because it's see, that one doesn't go all the way in, and it's because this design, I don't know why they designed it that way. This is smaller and this is bigger gap. Let's go with the first speed and with this. Alright, can you hear that? Alright, let's see if this one. Now check this out.
I'm helping to build the Duke and Duchess. I've discovered a. Watch out for the jam. I'm helping to
Perfecto.
build the Duke and Duchess's brand new summer.
There it is. Works good. Double copper, double coupling rubber. Nice.
Watch out. I'm helping to build the Duke and Duchess's brand new summer house.
Excelente. For this one, I'm just gonna put some rubber couplings. Well, the coupler has been installed. Double. That means 2 rubber coupling. Nice.